Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make vegan sugar cookies. To replace butter in this recipe, I am using vegan earth balance. We're gonna have to let the butter come to room temperature before using. And first, we're gonna start by beating butter with vegan sugar for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'd say, until it's creamy, and then we're going to beat in our egg. For the egg, I'm using aquafaba. I also mixed in vanilla extract to gradually add that in, and then we're going to, on low speed, add dry ingredients. I sifted together all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. Using your hands or your spatula, gather the dough together, shape it into a disc, and I'm going to roll it out right away between two sheets of parchment paper, and I'm using 1/4 inch rolling guides on each side. I'm going to chill it in a fridge for about an hour or so. Once you're ready to cut out cookies, preheat your oven to 350 degrees of Fahrenheit. Cut out as many cookies as you possibly can, and you can also re-roll the scraps. Bake these at 350 degrees of Fahrenheit for about 9 minutes. Cookies will be rather soft. Let them cool for 5 minutes on a baking sheet, and then transfer them onto a cooling rack to cool completely. You can decorate these with vegan royal icing. You can find a recipe for vegan royal icing on my blog, and I also shared a tutorial on my YouTube channel how to make it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.